Yeah, welcome, Colette Jane. Welcome. When you join, you share. As you join, you share. You share. Join and share. I get to 20 viewers and I start the live video for today. There are many things that are going on in the revolution that we need to talk about. You join, you share. You join, you share and invite friends. Join, share and invite friends. Let us hit 20 viewers and I start. I don't need many viewers. I just need 20 viewers and I start. As you join, you share. You join, you share for us to get to 20 viewers and I start. I want to start the live show. As you join, you share. Let's hit 20 viewers. Just 20 viewers and I will start the live show for today. Join and share. Join and share. I just started. Join and share. As I hit 20 viewers, I will start the live show for today. Invite friends, share and invite friends. Share and invite friends for us to start the live show for today. Hi, Colette Jane, hi. Join and share, invite friends. Join, share and invite friends. Let's hit 20 viewers. I just need 20 viewers and I start the live show for today. Share and invite friends. Share and invite friends. I have been down for some time. But I thank God for my health. I thank God that I am fine. I pray God should continue to give me the strong health to be able to continue with our revolution. Join and share and invite friends for us to hit just 20 viewers. 20 viewers and I will start. Just 20 viewers and I will start. As you join, you share, click the share button and invite friends. Click the share button, invite friends, share it to the groups. Share it to the groups you belong to. Share to the WhatsApp groups you belong to. Invite friends and let us start. Just 20 viewers and I will start. We have 16 viewers. If these 16 viewers hit the share button and invite more friends, we are going to go more than these 16 viewers. I want to say hi to Emmanuel Lee. I say hi to Ambalan. I say hi to Doran Gorem. I say hi to Mumi Omega. I say hi to everyone. I greet each and every Southern Cameroonian that is joining. Thank you very much, Southern Cameroonians. I have seen that we have touched the 18 viewers. And I just need one more person to join. Hi, Emmanuel Lee. Hi, my comrade. Hi. Thank you very much, Southern Cameroonian. We don't touch 20 viewers. I will start the show and no one make would wait. I respect the viewers the way they did first. Any other person will come. He go just join for the middle of the live show. As when I know me, I always do my live show for pidgin language because I like to touch each and every one. Even person who no go school, person who understand pidgin language, he go understand which way me I want to talk for this live show. Fellow Southern Cameroonians, fellow Ambazonians, thank Una for the brief and very short time we are informed Una say they come up live. I welcome each and every one way a day for this live show today. I be very happy say God don't give me that strength. God don't give me that strength for say make I come up live. I don't dey down now for almost 3 weeks, but I thank God say my body don't dey strong. My body don't dey strong. And the revolution, it must keep on moving because no matter which way happen, no individual, no go hold the revolution back. I thank each and every one of Una way Una don't join me. I want just start immediately. For tell Una say, this revolution where would look and so. Fellow Southern Cameroonians, this revolution, now a revolution where we not fight against ourselves. Maybe we stop this inner fighting. This fight where we fight against ourselves. Now a very bad thing. I didn't want to talk this talk because I get a lot of information where it happen inside this revolution. Many things that they go inside this revolution where if we not tell the Southern Cameroonians them the truth, they not go understand what way it happen for inside this revolution. This revolution, some people then think say if they know be leaders for this revolution, the revolution it not go achieve what way it happen. I was very sad. I be very, very sad for say I see that video, I listen to the audios them way my brother Akuma he move am. Akuma, he move audios the way he touched me inside me. I know Akuma personally. I know Akuma personally. I know Mancho BBC personally. When this revolution be started, Akuma and Mancho BBC, they be carry coffin, go down for Liberty Square for Bamenda, which what they call as a city chemist roundabout. Now the two of them be start that thing before Benji Mateke, where he did for inside Kondenge with Mancho BBC. Before make Benji Mateke, he joined them. So me will know say so many things that it happen. Akuma he escape, he go to Nigeria. He don't mobilize people. He don't see say this revolution, it need people. For some, they mobilize people, make people they fight for revolution. But it is very sad. It is very sad. See, some people they want to take pride. They want to take pride for put up for front of people where people they die. What people they die. Every day people they die. Every day people they die when it comes to this revolution. Diaspora, what are we doing? What will they do for say we will support our people them back home? May we stop all these glories. May we stop all these self-glories. All these self-glories, nothing we will not want them. All these self-glories, now which we will not want them for this revolution. At the back, may we not stop all these self-glories. Kyla, keep quiet. Uncle is talking on phone. Please. Yes, as I talk with Una, Southern Cameroon and them, I be sorry, my picking and just come in. My children then just come in, but as we know, we'll be preparing them for picking them. No, don't show your face here, Kylie. Don't show your face here. As we will be preparing them for picking them, we'll get for say, may we protect the picking them first. Make we please quiet. Make we support we picking them first. Make we know say the revolution is a revolution for say make we stand in for self-pride. I want to talk this one. They talk with me at the top. Shift that side. Shift that side. Don't make your face show here. Amalanda. No show your face here. As we talk, fellow Southern Cameroonian them, as we talk, make we know say the revolution, it not be a revolution for say make we fight for self-pride. People the way they want to take self-pride for put them for front, make we know say that people them they the only one kill we. The revolution, it not be a revolution for self-pride. The revolution, it been a revolution for say make we free homeland. Make all those people the way they think say self-pride or glories or hero, where they think say they want to be heroes then for the revolution. Nobody no be hero for this revolution for the moment. The person who go take we for boy, another person who will recognize you as hero. For the moment, we get a one hero who will recognize and a Mancho BBC will carry coffin. He put up for we for Liberty Square for Bamenda. Which you will call and say city chemist roundabout. Now he alone will recognize right now as the hero for the revolution. If not of Mancho BBC, this revolution not for this level where they for this place where they will not for this place where they because teachers them be doing a sit down strike. Teachers them be do a sit down strike. But Mancho BBC, he decided for carry coffin. He and his brother Akuma through. They carry their coffin, they go down for Liberty Square for tell the people, say they be ready for take the first gunshot. And unfortunately or fortunately for them, they not be fit carry that first gunshot. Different people then die. Mancho BBC, they for jail today. But the people that were there for diaspora, we for diaspora will not get two things for do. We don't need leadership for diaspora. The leadership we need and the leadership we get for ground zero. Now ground zero they lead the revolution, not be we. We recall them for ground zero, we tell them say the respect goes down, they respect goes down. When we beg them say the respect goes down, they respect goes down. When we tell them say today we wanna boycott this, they boycott them. Why we for diaspora will get for things say we control the revolution. Even the person who call and say acting president, Ekome Samuel, he not be Ekome Samuel, he not be our president because say he go to control the revolution. He just be a president for say me will align behind you, for say me will see what way if it happen for the revolution. The revolution is something where we need to fight for. We need to fight only for that revolution. We don't need to fight for individuals. No fight for individuals because when you fight for individuals, now that individuals then go kill we. Those individuals then go kill we for this revolution. Any individual where he thinks say if he take the revolution, he carry the revolution for his head, if he talk say without he nothing no go happen, that individual is a very bad person. The individual where he stand, he claim say they be invited for some place, he be there for some other place, that one is a very bad thing. We don't need for say we talk against anybody. Ekome Samuel, he don't come up. He talks, he call all the leaders them. He call them all for a conclave. But not be all of them become for that conclave. Majority of them come for the conclave. But two people, Ebenezer Kangwa and Ayabacho Lucas, will not they hide them for call their names. Now the two people that way they deny for go for that conclave. Because they think say only them feel lead we. No be leadership will fight. We fight now for homeland. When we reach for homeland, that leadership will come. The person who will lead we will never yet know ye. Even Pekin for 2 years old, Pekin for 5 years old, he lead we for this revolution. We reach Boya. We go respect that Pekin. In them go enter for inside revolutionary book. Make we just understand that one say, now what you will they fight for? We fight now for this revolution. I be sorry say, Pekin they don't enter house and noisy day. Make me a come out for side with noisy day. This revolution will not fight now for self-glories, my fellow brothers and sisters. As we may be the talk, any man where he thinks say this revolution it belong to ye, may he know say a lie. The revolution it belong to the people, and that the people they decide whom they want make it lead them. And only that people them fit take this revolution, go out and for the part where they like say make it go. We for diaspora will not need nothing for do for this revolution, only contributions who will contribute for this revolution. This revolution need diaspora their money, and they don't launch my trip to Boya. My trip to Boya are the only thing we will need for contribute into. If we contribute to my trip to Boya, we go gain that revolution, we go gain the homeland war we fight for. Ekome Samuel, he don't put a strategy, and that strategy, he no go put them down for una, for tell una, say, now wait this way get them. Una, the only time they put roadmap for una. If they put roadmap for Facebook, wait till La Republic go do. La Republic go read that roadmap, he go work for we against, he go work against that roadmap, and anything we want to do, he already get a strategy for block that roadmap. Now, why that way Ekome Samuel, they come out, he tell we say, may we give ye that $2 million US. Now that $2 million US where he need them for take we for homeland. If we trust Dr. Ekome Samuel, now the only thing that we for diaspora will need for do. We for diaspora will need not only that money, rally people, talk with people, take people, make them rich for Boya. Talk to your people. Go for your various constituency, whether you're there for Spain, whether you're there for Germany, whether you're there for Finland, whether you're there for America, whether you're there for which side. Forget about anything where they happen. Rally your people, may they pay their own flight to my trip to Boya. If you pay my trip to Boya, in the next 1 year, we'll go there for Boya. Now what is that way Ekome Samuel it beg people for do? If you put Ambazonia first, you feel the pains where Sisiku his wife in the field. You feel the pains where Tassan Wilfred his wife in the field. You feel the pains where all the 12 adoptees them they feel. Then you go understand why where you need for put your money for this revolution. The people that where they put their money for this revolution, nobody say they like for put their money now because they want to see homeland make it be free. Majority of una there for diaspora, una just think say because una there diaspora una they insult people. People that never Facebook where they get fake profiles. Their homework now for insult people every day. Why would they insult people? May we stop all the insults. May we put our money for table. When we put our money for table, we go free homeland. Any man will know say he want free homeland, make he put him money for table. Homeland no be for insults. Homeland no be say make some people then they talk ill about others. Homeland no be say make some people them they come for Facebook, they talk about say if no be me, then we no go free homeland. Any man where he can't stand for Facebook, he talk say I. That person is a very bad person. You need to use that word we, and I respect Dr. Ekome Samuel because he talk say we. He talk say we. He use the word where Sisiku Ayoktabe he use them. But when the other leaders they come to say I said this, I said that. Who be you for give command for people? Now the people they give command for you as a leader. No be you for tell me say I said to you this. No be me Don Pasho go tell you and say I want to make this thing this so. I respect each and every leader for this revolution. Even Dr. Ayabacho Lucas, where he claims say Dr. Ayabacho Lucas, I no go talk So kind thing there. I dey talk to ye. I don't talk to ye face to face, one on one. He come Barcelona and meet up with ye. I talk to ye one on one. But I say, fulfill the contract with me and ye be get them. It deceive me. It deceive me. Now why that way me I did talk against it, because it deceived me, it deceived my people. It deceived the people who have been rallying them behind ye. I talked to His Excellency Dr. Ekome Samuel, but Dr. Ekome Samuel, he fulfill his promises. He walk the way where he want make the people then walk with ye. Fellow Amberlanders, I don't get so much for talk for una, which I just want to tell una and I say, pay my trip to Boya and we are going to be in Boya. Now Boya be the homeland and we go reach Boya. Any man who thinks we no go reach Boya, he fool himself. I stand firm for say me I go see Boya. The journey will be long, but I believe say Boya I go see him. The journey go be long. If you know say you no go reach Boya, know say me don't pass I go see Boya. Go and pay your trip to Boya. Pay your trip to Boya and then you go discover say this revolution, it need na money, it no need na glories, it no need na say me some man can't tell you say I said this, I gave this condition, I gave this condition. Who are you to give conditions in this revolution? Now the people that they give condition for the revolution. No individual need they give condition for this revolution. This revolution belongs to the people, and only the people them will decide whom they want make it lead them, and then the people then will give conditions for which way they want for say make homeland it be free. If all una give una conditions, una put down una conditions, the government it will hear for una. Now what they call as interim government, because that government it no be perfect. It no be perfect. Now una give for make me be perfect. All man it give for put in hand for say that government is stand. Any man where go run away from the government, that means say you will get problem with your picking for us, you go run leave that picking for us, dash picking house. Now lie. If you get problem with your picking for house, you go for shidong with that picking inside the house, you fight for say me you solve that picking problem. Papa way picking strong head, if fight now say me that picking stand, you know they run leave that picking, or you know they send that picking outside house, you the beat picking put on under bed, you need to beat picking jam for neighbor them. All we will go for stand as one. Now my message that we may bring up for una today. All we will get for stand like one. Any man will think say if it derail the struggle, if it derail the revolution, make him know say it do that one on his own risk. We don't hear audio the way threat don't they come out already, and that threats them. It be very very dangerous. We don't want to build another South Sudan. We want to build a nation where it be made up of laws, binding laws. When we go stand as one, tomorrow we go there for Boya. But when we decide for the fight among each other, tomorrow we go there that's for the same spot. Fellow Amberlanders, I don't pass my message. Any man will think say the message correct for you. As I see the talk say thief people, that one it concern you. As you want be thief man, go join thief people side. We no there for thief. We dey now for say make the revolution it work fine, and the revolution it will work for the way where the people they want me work. Any man way no say he no stand for the revolution, make it go for his own way. The road na Boya, the flight na Boya, the train na Boya, the ship na Boya. All of us may go enter inside any of these thing them. We go ahead. Thank you very much, Southern Cameroonian name. God bless you now and have a blessed weekend. Stay blessed.